We're Mike and Debbie Kelley. We're easing into retirement one RV adventure at a time. We're not retired yet, but we're working on it. We're traveling the country willy-nilly style in our F-250 truck we call Willie and our RV Sports Trek travel trailer we call Nilly. You can come along and watch us on our travels as we learn the ins and outs of RV life. This week we're at the Sycamore Lodge just outside of Pinehurst, North Carolina. And who says you can't have gourmet dinners and meals in an RV?
Okay, so we go back to our lobster, our boxed lobster from Aldi. Thaw, and it's already thawed. We set that out and we put it out last night in the refrigerator, so it's completely thawed. So we do not have a steamer. Place in a 1/2 inch of water at the bottom of a large pan. Put the lobster in the pot and then cover the pot and then boil for 2.5 to 3 minutes. Okay, and then the next thing we need to do is open up our cook stove. There we go. We got that set up. We also have to hook up the propane lines, so I'll have to get underneath the camper and get that valve turned on. All right, so now we've got the flame working on our outside cook stove. Put our pot of water on and go back and read the instructions. All right, so the lobster is out of the bag. And the lobster is out of the bag. Now, take a gander at it and see how she pulls out. There it is. Okay, so get all the excess ice off of them. Okay, so there's our lobster about to be cooked. And the water is just starting to boil. All right, here's a wide view of the outside kitchen. So make it easy, instead of using Blackstone, which is sitting up behind it there, we pulled out the little cook stove, and we've got the 2.5 inches of water in there, and we are boiling. We'll see how it goes. Should be ready in about 4 minutes. Our pot's a little small, but it still worked. So we got it in there. Of course, it was little ice chips and what have you, so the boil quickly went down, but it'll come right back to a boil shortly.
And I have to admit, this came out pretty good. And as always, thanks for watching our videos. For the record, Four Roses bourbon pairs nicely with lobster. Oops. Cheers, everybody.